This is your third mission flying into Hurricane Irma. How does this flight compare to the previous ones?
Well, the last two flights that we've done, we've essentially followed the same kind of a pattern. I'm flying in the NOAA Gulfstream jet, which is a high-altitude hurricane hunter reconnaissance aircraft. This is the aircraft that flies across the top of the storm at 45,000 feet. And what we do, the key element to our mission, is that we're releasing dropsondes, which are essentially the opposite of a weather balloon. Instead of going up, these sondes fall by parachute and transmit data back to the aircraft, critical data like pressure, temperature, GPS, wind direction, wind speed. And all that data gets gathered by the aircraft, and we transmit it by satellite to the National Hurricane Center. It goes directly into the computer models that are forecasting the track, which everybody in the entire southeastern U.S. is now focusing on that track. So we are dropping 33 of those sondes on our mission this evening in order to refine the accuracy of the track.
And in terms of what the storm is doing right now, I mean, can you say if it's getting weaker, is it maintaining, or is it getting stronger?
The storm is actually, sad to say, the storm is actually getting stronger. The latest aircraft in the center measured a pressure of 914 millibars, which is the lowest it's been, and we're continuing to see winds measured directly by the aircraft in the range of 150 to 160 knots at the surface in the eye wall, which is over 180 miles per hour. So this is a legitimate Category 5 hurricane. You really can't overhype this storm. It's the strongest storm that has ever formed in this part of the Atlantic. We've had Cat 5s that have formed further to the west, closer to Miami. Of course, we had Andrew, and then we have had storms like Katrina and Rita in the Gulf of Mexico back in 2005. But we really haven't seen a storm like Irma. So it's extremely dangerous, especially with the path that it's projected to go through the Bahamas and threaten Florida. It's also a very large storm.
Yeah.